Welcome everyone, and thanks for joining us. Today we'll be exploring everything you need to know about sharing links, a core feature that makes working with others seamless and secure. Before we jump in, let's start with a quick introduction to Sync. Sync is a secure cloud storage platform that enables individuals and teams to store, share, and access their files from anywhere, whether you're on a computer, tablet, or phone. Combined with built-in privacy protection, file recovery, and customizable permissions, Sync gives you complete control over your content. Whether you're sharing files externally or collaborating with your team in real time, Sync keeps your data secure, your projects organized, and your work accessible anytime and anywhere. So let's get started. With link sharing, you can give other people access to your files and folders without requiring them to have a Sync account. This makes it perfect for when you want to give someone quick access to a file. To get started, sign into your Sync account and locate the file or folder you want to share. As an example, we'll share this photo. Click the three dots next to the file to open the menu, then select Share as Link. Once the link is created, you can use the built-in form to send it directly from Sync or copy the link and paste it into an email, Slack message, or any other communication tool. And there you go, it's that easy. Once the link is received, they'll have instant access to the file. The great thing about links is that they include a variety of security controls, allowing you to manage exactly how your shared content is accessed. You can set the links to be password protected, add expiry dates so links automatically deactivate, and also allow view-only access so recipients can see the file but can't save it to their device. You can also create a link for an entire folder, which will present some additional options for how it can be accessed, such as sharing multiple files at once so recipients can browse the folder contents and download everything as a single zip file, enable file uploads by switching on this toggle. When enabled, recipients can upload files directly into your folder, much like submitting through a file request. Hide file contents for privacy, and this is ideal for collecting sensitive documents such as resumes or signed contracts without exposing other submissions. If your plan includes custom branding, that's another way you can enhance your shared links. This feature lets you add your company logo and choose custom colors, creating a more professional experience when sharing with clients or customers. Whether you're sharing a file or folder, there's some other helpful link settings such as email notifications, commenting, so people can leave comments directly on files or folders to share feedback or ask questions, enhanced privacy, which makes sharing even more secure by adding a layer of end-to-end encryption, and you can revoke access anytime, even after sharing, by simply deleting the link. Another great feature available through shared links is Sync's Microsoft 365 integration. When you share a file or folder using a shared link, recipients can edit Microsoft documents directly in their browser using the online editor. To access live editing and make changes, recipients will need to sign into Sync. For a deeper dive on how to use links, refer to our Help Center article, Sharing Files and Folders with Links, linked below. If you ever need assistance while using Sync, help is just one click away. Our Help Center is your one-stop shop for guides, tutorials, and troubleshooting resources. Whether you're looking for step-by-step instructions, answers to frequently asked questions, or tips just to get the most out of Sync, you'll find everything you need there. If you can't find what you're looking for or encounter an issue, you can easily reach out to our support team. When logged into your Sync account, simply click the Help button located on the top right corner of the web panel to create a support ticket. Our team is ready to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. Now that we've covered the essentials, we hope that you're feeling confident about how Sync can make sharing with links easier for you and your team. Thanks for joining us today.